Is it feeling like a PR? Is it feeling like a PR unboxing kind of day? Because it is to me. So let's just see what I got in PR this week. Up first from Loreal, they sent over their Ever Pure Color Care System. So there's actually 3 products here. For starters, we have the Bond Strengthening Concentrate. This is to be used before your shampoo and conditioner. This is supposed to allegedly fix and repair damaged hair. We'll see. Then we have step 2, which is a strengthening shampoo, again, to repair your hair. And step 3 is your Bond Strengthening Conditioner to make your hair nice, soft, and make sure all the bonds of your hair are back together and ready to go. From JLO Beauty, we have the That JLO Glow Serum. This is allegedly going to tighten and brighten our skin. It says just to apply to dry, clean skin in the morning and night, let absorb completely and dry down before you apply a moisturizer. Now, I'm very skeptical of this because I feel like a lot of times celebrity skincare and celebrity makeup is just kind of a gimmick. Y'all have plastic surgery and fillers and Botox and all, the whole 9 yards. So it's like, does this really work? We'll find out. From Lottie London, we have the Stay Matte AF Setting Spray. Very excited about this. This is alcohol free. Of course, this is going to be more of a setting spray, not necessarily a finishing spray. So you'll want to use this to kind of blend all your layers together, kind of saturate them together, and then go into something that does have alcohol so you can really set everything into place so it doesn't move all day. It also has niacinamide, which I don't know if I've ever used a setting spray with niacinamide, but this is going to be great for giving that glowing vibe to your skin. Really excited about trying this out. Up next is from Pixie Beauty. They sent over their in-shower steam. Next up is from Pixie Beauty. They sent over their in-shower steam facial. This has Akasha collagen, peptides, and more. This is supposed to be a self-heating face mask. I'm obsessed with this already. I just literally hope it works. I'm gonna be so disappointed. I love a good face mask, body scrub, body care. Anything that I can do inside the shower that makes me feel and look better, I'm down for. So this also has a nice little rag with it. So really excited to try this out. I'll definitely probably take you guys in my shower with me one of these days so we can find out together firsthand, first impressions, if this works. Right off the bat, I'm pretty excited about this. Alrighty, next up is from Pacifica. They sent me actually quite a few products, so let me run through them real quick. Y'all know by now that I love skincare more than I love makeup, so I'm really excited about this collection. This is more of a vitamin C brightening, exfoliating kind of collection that they sent over, which you'll understand that here momentarily. For starters, we have the Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. This is to even out, cleanse, and exfoliate your skin. This has AHA and vitamin C in it, so it's great. This says it's gonna be good for all skin types. If you're someone super oily or you have a noticeable texture, you'll probably really like this. After that, we have the Glow Baby Brightening Skin Peel Pads. So this has 10% AHA and BHA. Those are chemical exfoliants. So this is going to exfoliate our skin without using anything gritty like a sugar scrub or anything like that. Next up, we have 2 more Glow Baby products. This is the Vita Glow Face Lotion. This is a moisturizer. And the Glow Baby Booster Serum. This is a glycolic acid and vitamin C serum. This is going to be great for exfoliating your skin, brightening your skin, just making sure your skin's not dull. And last but not least, we have the Glow Baby Eye Bright Under Eye Cream. Really excited about this. I love my eye cream, so I'm definitely excited to put this to the test. Oh, we can't forget about the lip balms. They also sent over 4 different lip balms. There's a vanilla cupcake, strawberry rose, lavender lemonade, and orange dreamsicle flavored lip balm. So love me a lip balm moment as well. Gonna put these to the test too. Up next from Dominique Cosmetics, we have a translucent setting powder. Now I've seen a lot of Dominique Cosmetics products over on TikTok. I've never tried them out, never seen them in person, so I'm definitely excited to give this a try. Lottie London sent over another super fake false lash effect mascara. I have 4 of these now. I think this is their way of being like, Cody, will you please add this to your mascara first impressions try on series? And the answer is yes, but give me a second. Speaking of mascaras, we have one from MAC. This is their Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. I think this is gonna be really cool, so I'm really excited to try this out. This will, of course, be part of my mascara series. Next, from Cab Cosmetics, we have a hydrating setting mist. Bottle's cute. I've seen this exact same bottle like 1.5 million times. Not that that means anything, but I'm just saying. Let's just see what it smells like. Hold on. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know how to describe it. I'll need a minute to think about it. Milani sent over 12 lipsticks. These are so cute. These are their Stay Put liquid lipsticks. The colors are literally everything. Look at all the reds, the mauves, the berry. I love doing my lip combo of the day series as well. I'm gonna try my best to do all of these together in lip combos and see what we get. This is exciting for me. So I did already unbox some Ipsy products earlier. I'm not gonna bore you with those. There's only a couple goodies. The rest were like minis and nothing too exciting, so meh. But this next chunk of PR I'm probably most excited about is from Makeup Eraser. If you followed me for a little while, you know how much I love Makeup Eraser. I'm their biggest fan. I ditched my makeup wipes a long time ago. My face has done so much better using these microfiber cloths from Makeup Eraser. They take your makeup off. They help to gently polish your skin. It's just a good moment. But they sent me a couple new products, which I already have like 7, 9, I don't know. I have a lot of their sets and I, again, use them every single day. For starters, they sent over a new Festivities 7-day set. Super cute. Here's the colors on on the back. It also has a little bag so you can throw these in there and just throw them in your washer. But what's also super neat is the sponge. This is the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. I'm really excited. It comes with a little plastic egg looking thing so you can toss it in there and toss it in the washer. Definitely be putting this to the test. These are toner puffs. This is a box of 7 reusable non-absorbent puffs. So why would we use these? So basically when we're using our toner for our skincare toner, I'm using cotton rounds. I'm sure most people do. And for me, at least with facial hair, it kind of rips off on my face and you just throw them away, mind you. So it's wasteful. So just like with the regular makeup erasers, you just wash these and you're good to go. Again, they're super, super soft to the touch. I am going to wash them once before I use them because there's a little bit of like lint because they're brand new, obviously. But this is going to be amazing and it's going to feel much better on the skin than those cotton rounds. And I feel like I can get in there deeper because they're not ripping apart like cotton rounds. I'm gonna make a separate video on these. And last, but most certainly not least, is the body mitt from Makeup Eraser. I love, just like I said earlier, I love in-shower things. I like exfoliating my body. I love my sugar scrubs on my body. I love all the skin treatments in the shower. So this is a machine washable 2-in-1 body mitt. So it's meant to polish and deeply exfoliate your skin. Again, reusable, machine washable, all the good things. So on the back, I'll just show you the textures. The pink one is going to polish your skin, whereas the mitt side of it is going to deeply exfoliate. I would imagine that if you're one of those self-tanning, spray tanning girlies, I feel like this might be a good option to remove that spray tan before you do it again. But overall, I'm definitely gonna try this. And again, I'm probably gonna take you guys in the shower with me one of these days so we can try this out together. But that's the bulk of what I got in PR this week. Like I said, there's a few other little things, nothing too exciting or notable. Let me know what you guys think. We had a good variety of skincare. We have tools. I did get some, obviously, makeup like I showed you guys. So let me know what you think. What do you think is the coolest product I received in PR? What do you also think is the most boring? And if you'd like me to make any specific videos on any of these products, please let me know in the comments below. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this week's PR unboxing haul, and I'll see you guys in the next video.